All right, so looking at our do now for day 2, it says, learning target, I can code my game to include collisions. Do now, convert this expression into racket code. This looks pretty terrifying to turn into racket code, so I want to encourage you to go back to your packet and look at this. So it says the distance formula, an example. The distance between 2 points, 0, 0, and 4, 3 is given by, so we have line length 4, 0, and we have line length 3, 0. So go ahead and, before I give you the answer, go ahead and try and put that distance formula example into the circle of evaluation. I'll go ahead and give you a minute. I'll pause the video and go ahead and try that. All right, I'm going to try my best to explain this to you in a way that you can see it. So the way I wrote my racket code was I decided that the main operation that's happening here is the square root sign, and so the way we write that is open parentheses SQRT for square root. The thing that is being square rooted is basically the sum of this operation and this operation. So the next function would be sum, and the sum of what? Well, we have this piece here. My highlighter ability is not working. There we go. We have this piece here, and we're summing it to this here. And so what does that mean? Well, within this part of the thing we're going to be adding, we have line length 4 and 0, and then we're adding that to the square root of line length 3 and 0. So then I'm just closing the parentheses here. So go ahead and take a moment and go ahead and tackle your do now here, and then when you're ready to check your answer, go ahead and unpause the video. All right, so looking at the problem here, I'm going to go ahead and, this is like my best. So, if it's wrong, I reserve the right to be wrong. You guys might actually find an error in my work. But as far as I see it, we have a square root sign here. So that's the main function here, square root. And then what's being added is this operation here and this operation here. So we have addition. And then addition of what? Well, the addition of the square root of 1 minus 5. And then adding that to the square root of 6 minus 2. So that's what I got. Go ahead and check with your partners and your neighbors to make sure that that is actually what the answer is.